So karon naata example sa Carnot cycle ni siya sa heat engine which is thermal efficiency. Suppose a car has a compression rate of 7.2 and its ratio of heat capacity R is equal to 1.40. What would be its thermal efficiency? Ang formula sa efficiency nag-involve of compression rate is E is equal to 1 minus 1 over R, which is the compression rate, to the exponent of lambda minus 1, where lambda is the, gamma is the, ratio of heat capacity in constant volume and constant pressure. So, substitute the given, which is the compression rate R is equal to 7.2. The gamma is equal to 1.40. So 1 now, the efficiency now is 1 minus 1 over 7.2. The exponent of 1.40 minus 1. So substituting the values and then put it in your calculator, and we can obtain that the thermal efficiency in this car is 0.5459, or in percent, it is the thermal efficiency is equal to 54.6%. So this is how we compute for the thermal efficiency sa car na may compression rate na 7.2 and has a lambda 1.40. So, muna na siya, and then I hope nga namin na learn, and then thank you sa inyong pagtanaw.